I'm Trent Courtney with Frank's Auto Service and Repair here in Walnut Creek, California, and we've been using Protractor since 2017. One of our favorite features of Protractor is the messaging system. It's allowed us to come pretty much completely paperless, and also our technicians don't always have to come into the office, which is wasting their time and efficiency. It helps keep the flow of the business going. What has created such a big impact on our business is the ability to really dive down deep into the reporting and monitor our KPIs, go through that so we really know where the business is running at the time. Our service advisors and our technicians really like the efficiency that Protractor has embedded in their system. Shop owners that are considering a move to Protractor, it was a great move for us if you really want to dial in your business and keep up with the common trends of different business tactics. And it's just a positive way to continue to go forward, to apply that transparency between your shop and your customers. Protractor's had a really big impact on our customer service because of the transparency that it has. We can know where they are in their repair history, what trends that they have based on their mileages, and also it really prints off a beautiful invoice that's very easy to read, line itemed, and the customers can truly understand what they're seeing. Protractor's customer support is really good. One of the features that we really like is the Facebook group that they have incorporated as well. So it really is a timely manner when you need something done. We knew we made the right choice with Protractor pretty quickly. It was a big change from us from our previous SMS system. And we could see already the benefits of what it was providing to our customers and what it was providing to our staff. So pretty early on, we were able to understand that this was the right switch for our business.